Welcome to my kitchen! I am Busy Dad, and today we're making tacos. Round 2. We've got our chicken frying up here, getting ready to be chopped. We've got our tortillas warming on the top of the pan. And tonight, we're gonna make these tacos with 100% kid-approved ingredients. And my helper will be here to make sure that Dad doesn't add anything she doesn't like. So we are going to make these tonight with a cucumber salsa. That's a very odd thing to put on tacos. But I've come up with a recipe. This is going to be tangy and sweet and crunchy. Very good. Alright, let's go. Now in order to make our cucumber salsa, we've got to chop up this cucumber into little small bits. We want these to be below bite size. Tiny little squares or cubes. Once that's done, we'll convert these little cubes into the salsa itself. So what we're going to do is put that cucumber into a bowl. Also chopped up a little bit of pear for sweetness. And then we are going to mix that with some apple cider vinegar, some sugar, and squeeze a lime. And then mix that up real good. Let that sit on your countertop for 10-15 minutes. Okay, when it's ready to put these tacos together, first thing to go on is some cheese. This is a mild cheddar and Monterey Jack blend. My helper is going to put that on while I get the chicken ready.
What can I do?
Just put some there. Whoops. Spilled a little bit. That's okay. We'll clean that up. Spread this around. And next up is the chicken. On it goes. 1 and 2.
This one, case. Then I don't want that green thing.
Whichever one your kid wants, they can have that one.
I don't want that green thing on mine.
My kid does not want onions, so she will not get any onions.
I said don't mine, I said.
This is the cucumber salsa. This is cucumbers. It's awesome. It's got a nice, great, tangy, sweet taste. It's got some sugar in it. And this is, because it has onion, this is for me. I'm not going to put onion on the other one. And the rest of our salsa goes on here.
Yummy, maybe.
Making sure not to put too much of that liquid because that will make our tacos a little bit too liquidy.
But just like a weenie.
And now, it is time for the best part. We get to try what we've made.
I do.
Do you want to try it, helper? Alright, bite. And Baba's gonna bite too. Mmm. Mmm. It is very good. Do you like it? Awesome. Everybody likes it. Everybody's gonna have a happy dinner. So we're gonna go enjoy our dinner. I hope you liked this. If you did, please click like. Share it with somebody. That is very important to me. Enjoy your food. One day, click that subscribe button. And join me next time when Busy Dad is cooking.